Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix brightness problem on Realme mobile. Friends, you want to fix brightness problem on Realme mobile, so how to fix in this video I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video, then first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So how to fix brightness problem, friends, click on phone setting. So guys, on your Realme phone and friends on your Android phone, brightness increase friends automatic, and guys sometime your brightness decrease automatic. So how to fix this problem, now let's see. Open your phone setting and friends click on display brightness setting. After on display brightness friends, you can see this type of interface. So when scroll it friends, you can see auto brightness. So when you have on your auto brightness, that's why friends you have this problem on your Realme mobile. So guys, off your auto brightness, and friends now you can set your brightness level, you can increase, you can decrease. Brightness will not decrease friends automatic on your Realme phone device. So guys, when guys you will on again your brightness, auto brightness, brightness will increase and decrease friends automatic. So guys, by mistake you have on your auto brightness guys off, and guys now you can increase your brightness, and guys brightness will not increase and decrease on our Realme phone device. Brightness problem will solve, and friends you can solve from your search option also. Guys, click your search option, search here guys auto setting guys, and guys search auto brightness, click here direct friends. You will have to only off here, and guys your problem will solve. And friends, you can on your dark mode auto switch option. Friends, you want to use dark mode, so you can on dark mode from here. So we will on light mode. Friends, eye comfort setting is here auto rotated, auto screen of friends screen timeout you want to change, so you can change screen timeout. Friends, you want to change your skin color, temperature, cool, default and warm color, you can change. Friends, you want to change font and display size, so you can change font and display size also. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.